Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On Wednesday 20th and Thursday 21st March, the Salesians of Zaragoza will host the 37th edition of the Don Bosco National Award for Design and Technological Innovation. The Salesian work is preparing everything necessary to welcome the projects that have reached the final phase among the 64 works that entered the competition in November 2022. These 39 projects compete in 4 areas: industrial technologies, communications and information and communication technologies, ICT sciences, and health, social and legal sciences. A novel and path-breaking joint venture has just been completed by Nirai Vagam with a colorful and meaningful valedictory ceremony on 17th March 2024 at Don Bosco Center in Kadambur. The novelty is that while the financial funding was provided by a group of families of a Salesian priest, the year-long transformative training program, Life Skills for Empowered Living, LSEL, was conducted by Nirai Vagam, Don Bosco Institute of Psychological Services of the Salesian province of Chennai. This empowerment project was launched by Dr. Father Joseph Jayaraj, SDB, a development psychologist and psychotherapist, the founder and director of Nirai Vagam, and a professor at Salesian Pontifical University, Rome. From 16th to 19th of March, Father Alfred Maravilla, General Counselor for the Missions, was on a missionary animation visit to the 2 presences in Lithuania where the Salesians arrived in the previous century. However, the flourishing Salesian presence in the country suffered greatly after the Second World War. After the fall of the Soviet Union, Lithuanian Salesians from abroad returned. Later, the Rectors Major also sent Salesian missionaries from other countries to restart the Salesian presence. In the bilingual parish of St. John Bosco in Vilnius, Father Maravilla was able to concelebrate the Sunday parish mass for children and young people and also greeted the parishioners who participated in the Polish language mass. Subsequently, he was also able to meet leaders of parish groups. The Mary Mazzarello Educational Unit in Guayaquil celebrated the Costa Volunteer Sending Eucharist 2024-25 on 18th of March, which brought together 21 young people destined for different religious communities of Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, and Daughters of the Sacred Hearts of Jesus and Mary. These young people will undertake a year-long missionary experience aimed at educative and pastoral work with children, youth and adults, especially in schools, parishes, oratories, social works and missions in the Shuar, Achuar, Andean and Afro-descendant communities. The Pakrat Skills Development Center for the Blind, Non-Taburi, run by Salesians since 1978, held a degree-giving ceremony for 154 students. The ceremony, which took place on 13th March, was attended by Mrs. Swawani Suwanichip, President of the Foundation for the Blind of Thailand, who delivered the certificates to the students who completed the various courses offered by the center. Currently, Father Charles Velardo and Salesian brother Joseph Suwan Jutason Pakorn are supervising this center together with 25 lay employees. The center offers a comprehensive curriculum that goes beyond teaching a trade. In addition to acquiring an education and learning valuable work skills, students participate in sports activities that promote physical development and self-confidence. Most graduates manage to find work immediately and continue to own their skills for many years. The Salesian contribution to the visually impaired in Thailand is a very real and important response to disadvantaged young people in society. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.